Because this service is so stupid that if somebody uses, let's say somebody use a name called CloudCentrix1 for their bucket name, no one in this world can use that same name for their own bucket. Let's say I'm in America and I use my bucket name is CloudCentrix1. No one in the world, wherever you are in this world, you can never reuse that name. So you have to make sure you keep your naming convention unique across all of AWS S3, because the name that you use or you will use must not have been used by anyone. That if you use a name that's been used, then it will say name already exists. Name already exists. Name already exists. So it's very, very important for you to understand that the naming convention that you use for your bucket has to be unique. So in real world, what we do is we always use the region that we're trying to create the bucket. So the region will be US is 1, right? US is 1. Then we will now say US is 1 concatenate, meaning attach, add the name of the account to it. So the bucket name will be US is 1, then dash account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because we know that an account name cannot be duplicated, nobody else has that account name, every time we will be right. Because if we use US is 1 dash CloudCentrix account, nobody has that same account in the whole world. So there won't be any conflict when it comes to naming convention. So you can read the remaining yourself, but it's very important for you to understand that it's don't give your name like CloudCentrix space account. It won't accept that. It has to be CloudCentrix dash, like a minus sign, then whatever they want to come after that, or it's only CloudCentrix. If you're trying to combine multiple words together, make sure you use hyphen in between, dash. So when I was preparing this class, I was asking myself, should I even add this slide, or should I not add this slide? Then I decided to add this slide just to explain a couple of things. Again, remember I said CloudCentrix will provide managed service for people, organizations to store their data. This is actually what we do. So when we onboard clients, we're going to say to client, hey, if we are onboarding you, you need to understand their classifications of storage in AWS. There is what we call an S3 standard. There is what we call an S3 one zone IA. There is what we call an S3 Glacier. We have so many of them. I just picked those three. The number one, which is S3 standard, is the most expensive one because that grants you high durability and high availability. That means if the client need the information like the data right now, we are able to retrieve it as quickly as possible